We are Soft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
Today, we will discuss about Soften Edge in SketchUp. Soften Edge tool is used to smooth the edges of an object. First, select the edge you want to smooth. Then right-click on it and select Soften from the drop-down list. Or in default tray, there is an option called Soften Edge. Soften Edge panel, you can see a slider. By moving this slider, we can adjust the smoothen value. Now, I will show an example for it. Thanks for watching this video.